Hello everyone and welcome to our English grammar series. I hope you remember the types of nouns we talked about in the previous lessons, which include common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, and material noun. So we have learned different types of nouns, right? For those who are newer to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and watch the previous videos in order to have a clear idea about what a noun is and its different types. Today we will talk about another important aspect of a noun, that is gender. You know that living things belong to either the male or a female. Now let's compare the words in the following pairs: boy, girl, lamb, lioness, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, hero, heroine. What do you notice here? You must have noticed that the first word of each pair is the name of a male person or an animal. Boy is uh, name of a male person. Okay, the second word of each pair is the name of a female animal. So we are using male and female. Boy is a male used for a male, girl is used for a female. Okay, and lion is for a male and lioness is for female. Cock sparrow is a male and sparrow is a female. Hero is a male and heroine is for female. Okay, now let's see. Let us define what actually is gender. So a noun that denotes a male animal is said to be a masculine gender. Okay, said to be of the masculine gender. A noun that denotes a male animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Gender, the word gender, comes from Latin genus. Genus means, kind. Kind means type. A noun that denotes a female animal is said to be of the feminine gender. So we understood what a male gender and female gender are. So masculine gender and feminine gender. Okay. Now, a noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. For example, parent. Parent can be male or female. Okay. So a noun that denotes either a female or a male is said to be a common gender. For example, child. Whether it's a girl or boy, a child is a child. Okay. Enemy, common gender. Cousin is a common gender. Person, common gender. Orphan, a common gender. Student, common gender. A child, it's a common gender. Therefore, it is not distinguishing between whether it is a baby girl or a baby boy. We use only child. If we don't until we distinguish between the sexes. Okay. So a noun that denotes either a female or a male is said to be of the common gender. Now we'll talk about another type of noun. A noun that denotes a thing that is neither a male nor a female is said to be of neuter gender. For example, book. We cannot say now book is not a male nor a female. So such kind of a noun is called a neuter gender. Such such as book, pen, room, tree, etc. Neuter means neither. Neuter means neither male nor female. Now, collective nouns, you already learned what is a collective noun. A group of things taken together, right? Even if they denote living things. For example, a group of soldiers taken together is called an army. An army is always considered as a neuter gender. So, collective noun, even when they denote living things or living beings, are considered to be of the neuter gender. Okay. Now, children and lower animals are also referred to as belonging to the neuter gender. Objects without life are sometimes personified. Objects for example, sun, moon, the earth, the sun. Objects without life are sometimes personified. Personified means that is spoken of as if they are living beings. We then regard them as male or female. The masculine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for strength and violence. For example, the sun, summer, winter, time, death. Okay, for example, we say the sun sheds his beam on rich and poor alike. Now, the feminine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for beauty. Okay, for example, beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness. Example, the moon, the earth, spring, autumn, nature, liberty, justice, mercy, peace, charity, etc. Now, for example, the moon has hidden her face. See, we are speaking about moon as a human being. Okay, this is called a personification. Now, spring has spread her mantle of green over the earth. Okay, spring is spoken of as if a living thing. Okay, now peace has her victories no less renowned than war. Peace has her victories no less renowned than war. This personification is used mostly in poetry only. Okay, but certain nouns are also personified in prose. A ship is always spoken of as she, as in the ship lost all her boats in the storm. With this, we conclude our lesson today. For today, human beings living things, belongs to either a male or a female. This is what we discussed. So remember, we started with the noun, and it may go on for some more time, some more classes. So please write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and activate the you know notification bell to receive more lessons in our English grammar series. Thank you.